You're gonna see vendors hustling with ice cold drinks, the black and white tiles. The sidewalk just feels like it never ends. Just full of life here. Whether I'm in the water, catching the sun, or just taking it all in, this beach is pure Rio. After spending time at the beach, I got a little hungry. Now you guys are gonna love these little open air bodega deli type places. You just pull up, sit down at the counter. Oh, and there might be somebody beautiful already sitting at the counter. I'm asking for the steak there. Now wait till you guys see the plate that they bring out. That steak, French fries over rice. Brazilians know how to eat, guys. And yep, there's some Brazilian coffee there. I think I put on a few kilos for this trip. Oh, and of course, made some lovely friends along the way. See you. So in Rio, all the street vendors have these little credit card machines, so you can use your credit card to buy a coconut like I am here. Pretty much can use it to buy anything that you're gonna pick up on the street. From clothes to souvenirs, street food, to, of course, a delicious coconut as you stroll Copacabana Beach. Look for this guy, that's Sergio. Shout out Sergio. Sure, you can find Sergio out there on Copacabana. Now, we get to the sentimental part. These are my buddies that I met and recorded my song Magdugara out there. They were hooking me up with some traditional Brazilian barbecue, showing me how it's done. The Brazilian hospitality is unmatched. These boys made me feel right at home. I'm missing these guys. This scene brings me back. It makes me want to jump on the plane and go visit these dudes right now. And look at that steak they hooked me up with. Brazilians know how to do barbecue right. And what you do, you just grab with your hands, dig right in, don't be shy. After we filled our bellies, we had to lay down a hot track. The song that we did is called Magdugara. It means nightlife in Rio. Of course, available on Spotify, iTunes, all that good stuff. I laid the rap in English, and my man Ed handled the Portuguese. Good man right here. All these guys, solid dudes. Very, very happy to have met these guys. Shared an experience of friendship, creation,